Welcome back to a brand new video on the Tech Droids channel, and today we're going to take a look at the best $300 gaming PC builds for the month of October and November specifically. So drop a like rating and be sure to be subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. And with that being said, let's get started. Before we get to the parts, you guys are going to ask how will this build perform. This will perform really good, and this build will smash some of the latest AAA titles at 720p whilst achieving some great frame rates such as 30 to 60 fps, and it'll perform really well and it'll smash some of the moderately demanding games such as League of Legends, World of Warcraft and CSGO and Minecraft at 1080p. So now let's kick it off with the parts. For the CPU, I went with the AMD A8 7670K. It is a quad-core CPU with Radeon R7 graphics. It's clocked at 3.6 GHz and can boost up to 3.9 GHz, and it's of the FM2 plus socket type. And the little K in the name means it's overclockable, and I can say you can get a clean 4 GHz overclock, and this CPU costs about $105 in Amazon.com. For the motherboard, I went with the GIGABYTE F28HM.M or -M FM2 plus socket type USB 3. It's a micro ATX motherboard that supports DDR3 up to 2133 MHz. It's nothing fancy looking, but it supports most of the things like HDMI and USB 3.0 and costs only $49 and does the job for this build. For RAM, I went with 8 GB of PNY XLRB DDR3 1866 MHz. It's a dual channel RAM kit, 2 into 4 GB, and in APUs it's really important to use dual channel RAM because they take the memory, the GPU in this CPU that's built in takes the memory from the primary memory of the system. That's why dual channel is always better in an APU build. It costs $25 on Amazon.com. For primary storage, I went with 1 TB of WD Blue 7200 RPM. 1 TB gives you 1000 GB. That's mostly enough for your Steam library and for your music, videos and pictures. 7200 RPM is the fastest mainstream kind of consumer hard drives go, and it costs $49 on Amazon.com. So that does your job for our primary storage, and down the line you can even get a SSD if the budget, if money provides and time provides. For the power supply, I went with EVGA 500 watt 80 plus certified. It costs $37 and gets you 500 watt. Kind of overkill, but main reason being expandability and upgradability. Down the line you can pick up an external GPU like a RX 460 or a 950, and this would become just a beast and insane gaming PC and smash all the titles in 1080p and 1440p. So that's why I went with the 500 watt, and the difference between the 430 and the 500 watt is just $3. So mind you, go for overkill than underkill. For the case, I went with the Thermaltake Versa H21 mid-tower case. It costs $38, looks really good, minimal, has some space for power, cable management, and has I/O at the front, USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. It is one of the good cases from Thermaltake and does the job for our $300 gaming PC build. So that concludes, guys, the $300 PC build, and this build will smash some of the latest titles in 720p and some of the moderately demanding games in 1080p. So if you like this video, give it a massive thumbs up and be sure to be subscribed to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next Tech Droids video.